Our friend's Wifey saw someone playing this game. It's a Wheel of Fortune. It's a cool one. Cash link. $100 in. Let the magic ensue. Oh? Huh. We're at the Wynn, if you couldn't tell by the luxurious carpets on the floor. Exotic Far East. Oh? $3 a spin, if you couldn't tell. There we go. Oh wow, some kings.
Okay.
Some panda bears. Some beautiful panda bears. Elephant.
What does this have to do with Wheel of Fortune anyway?
I have no idea. It's just like, yeah. Any kind of Wheel of Fortune you can like plug into a new game is a thing. So they will do it. Oh? Nope.
I like the noise it makes.
I like the noise too. It's nice. Oh, it does do something. That's cool. Oh, I think that you collect the coins once you get that. Yes. It's kind of like the last game we were just playing. We were playing Luxury Line. We got absolutely obliterated on Luxury Line back there. No one likes you, Luxury Line. We came over to Wheel of Fortune.
Wow.
Putting in the lucky voucher. I like it. Yeah, 45 cents and 450. Oh, look at the thing shook right there when you did that. I wonder what that was. Ah. Oh, now. Oh, where was that thing now? Some pandas. Oh, it's not a line up there? That's crazy. Oh, now? Oh, come on. Collecting. Collect.
What is this?
That's the I think you get to spin that magical wheel. Oh, now? Just for fun, we want to see that little collect thing at the end. No one knows why we can't get it. I believe in Wifey's ability to hit that button. Look at that. Professional. Look at that professional. Oh, got a lot of nice symbols though.
Wow.
Wowzers. Where were you? Where were you a couple spins ago? Oh, Kois. Oh, now. Finally, you got it once at least. Cash link. We have to do what it does. Is it gonna like let you do a respin? Or no, it just collects it for you. Alright, alright. That was cool.
How do you get to spin?
You have to get that spin bonus thing I think we saw at the beginning.
Oh.
We saw it like 10 spins ago. Some beautiful koi fish. Oh, like there, it was right up there. There it was. Panda bears. Not a line. That was a line though. How was the panda one not a line, but that one is? It must have been one off. Koi fish. Oh? No. Panda, nice. Oh, elephant too. And panda or no? That was nice. It was 20. It was 27. Yeah. I think if you do 75 cents, it's just what does that mean? 5 pointers. Interesting.
This is the jackpot one, right?
Yeah. That's the jackpot section. Yeah. So that's the jackpot section. Oh. Okay.
What is that?
Yeah. Why did it shake like that? That was strange. No one knows why it shook like that. Oh, I mean, if there's nothing before it, it just looks so pretty still though. This is a fun game though, but these Wheel of Fortune kind of games are always very volatile, especially mixed with another kind of game. But they can pay out huge. Oh, you just see it creep down and then what was that? Come on, cute pandas. Oh?
Wow.
Wow. Oh, now? Oh, you little silly cute panda. Do you want to do a little more? How much more? Wifey is not quitting. She's going back to her pocket, pulling out another 100. Okay, let's see. I might go do some craziness too after this, so we're going all in.
What?
It saw you put in 100. It was like, all right, we got her. Oh. Oh, come on now. Oh my.
What does that mean?
That was so nothing. That was, you have to get that collected. Just like that, just like that. You have to get all those trains and then you get to collect. Oh, now there you go. It's the same thing. You got it. Nice. Nice job. Yeah, I know. It was right there too. There you go. Bam. Where were you, silly wheel? Oh, is it doing? It's doing something. I think you got a bonus round or something. Oh no! Oh, back to back. That's crazy. It does like a little shaky feature like that. That's super cool. I thought it triggered a bonus round, but all right, all right. I told you, Wifey's the pro at this game. Wifey is a pro at this game now. We have to. If you're a pro, you have to also know when to lock up. No, keep going if you want. Yeah. I was gonna say, like, did it give us those 2 games just to be like, or is it hot now?
Oh.
Okay, this koi fish.
Oh.
Oh, now? What do you think? A few more spins?
I don't know what this does.
You have to get like 3 in a row to get probably like. I think we saw that person doing it. So 40 cents. What is that? Yeah, where were you on the first? Yeah, there you are on the first. Oh, no one likes you, stinking panda. Oh, now? Oh, you can do it now. Cash collected. Cash collect the free games.
Should I keep playing?
Huh?
Should I keep playing? That's good.
No, I don't know if you want to. Oh.
Payout is so good. Oh, it's
Yeah. Alright. You can end it on a high note for sure. Kind of a high note. What are you thinking?
Backup.
Yeah, do a couple more backups. Elephants. Oh, the free game was at the top right there. 5 aces, 880. That's pretty nice. Some jacks. Oh, do it now. Oh, that would have been nice. Oh, there you are again. Has anyone played this game? Like, what's the biggest hits you've gotten on it? Have you been lucky on it? Is it more volatile than other Wheel of Fortune games, or what?
One more.
One more, she says. All right, do it. Hold on. Wait, do all your voodoo. Okay. Wow. Okay. That was special, people. Oh, it almost worked. Okay. So down less than 100 now. That was good. You were down 100 for sure. And you made back A little bit more, we gave it a shot. We had fun on a brand new game, or a brand new game to us. Obviously, it's pretty much an older game. But we'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching, and good luck out there. Bye-bye.